Hey guys, Josh here from Robert's Camera. Today we're taking a look at the brand new Fujifilm X-E5 and the 23mm f2.8 lens that just dropped today. They're both very cool and I can't wait to tell you all about them. All right, so you get the X-E5 in your hand. First thing you notice, it is a digital rangefinder style camera, similar to all of the XEs before it and similar to the X Pro line and the X100 line, but it's gonna be a little bit smaller than both of those. It's really compact, but it feels really solid in the hand. Going through the body here real quick, when you look at the top, you'll notice that you have your exposure compensation and your shutter speed dial here, as well as the on-off switch and your shutter release button. But over here is something new. They have a little window and wheel over here where you can adjust your film simulation modes. There are a few simulations that are standard that just stay locked in on the wheel, but there are custom settings here on that wheel as well, which is really cool. The diopter for the viewfinder has moved over to the side, so you just press your finger up against it and it's actually, it's a nice sound. It's actually really easy to adjust. I like that a lot. The back is pretty standard, but it does have a really cool feature that the screen flips out like this. So you get your standard sort of up and down, but then if you want to film yourself, it does flip all the way up. So if you want to see yourself here, if you want to record content or anything, you are able to see yourself with this camera, which is really cool. This is a 40.2 megapixel, the X-Trans 5 sensor, the same one that's in the X106, same one that's in the X-T5. So you're getting great colors and really incredible resolution out of this camera. It also has in-body image stabilization, whether you're shooting photo or video. Having that little extra bit of stabilization really goes a long way. I'm really happy that they included that in this camera. This is the first XE camera to have in-body stabilization, so that's really cool. And of course, it is an interchangeable lens camera. So at first glance, looking at these, let me pull up the X106 here. These are very similar in design, and they feel very similar in the hand. There are a few differences. The X-E5 is a little bit smaller, the grip's different, the viewfinder's a little bit different, but they're very similar, especially with this new 23mm lens, which we'll get to in a second. But I love that this is such a compact setup and you can swap the lenses out because the X100 is my favorite daily carry camera. It's great for carrying around, everyday shooting, but I also like to shoot wildlife, or I like to shoot portraits, or I like to shoot astrophotography. So having the ability to swap out for lenses that might be better suited to those is a really cool feature of this camera. Now getting into the 23mm f2.8, I'm so happy that they came out with this. It's a little pancake lens. It's a perfect pairing with this body, but I also think it's going to be great for a lot of other Fuji bodies too, for when you just want a really small lens. Like if you paired this with the XM5, that setup would be so small and so cool to use. I'm really excited that they came out with this lens. It is one of their WR, weather resistant lenses, so that's really cool. It takes the W126S battery, so you get good battery life out of this. Another just thing here on the body is that they have a Bluetooth button here on the bottom. I haven't used it yet. I assume, it has something to do with the connectivity of the camera. I like that it is a tactile button. I like the way that Fuji kind of is pushing more towards more of the features being tactile. I like buttons, I like dials, and Fuji has given me just that. All right, so just a quick recap. The X-E5 is a 40.2 megapixel, very compact digital rangefinder camera with interchangeable lenses and in-body image stabilization. As always, you can pre-order it at robertscamera.com. If you have any questions, please leave those in the comments. I'm Josh, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.